Can you make the same picture but with the concept of making a cup of hot coffee? Can you make a scene prompt for this picture to make it look more real and alive? A warmly lit artisan café filled with the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. A large white ceramic cup of steaming hot coffee sits on a rustic wooden table, surrounded by scattered coffee beans and a golden measuring scoop. Tiny, highly detailed construction workers in orange safety vests and yellow helmets are hard at work. Some are shoveling coffee grounds into the cup, others are smoothing the surface with trowels, while a few guide a wheelbarrow full of beans. Ladders and scaffolding lean against the cup, and soft steam rises from the brew, catching the warm light and adding a sense of movement and coziness. The background is softly blurred with hints of shelves lined with mugs, jars, and hanging lights, enhancing the miniature yet lively construction scene.